Keeping your French sentences simple and clear is very good. In fact, that is a solid foundation. But if you are preparing for TCF for Canada PR, then you should already know that the minimum required level is B2. That means you should at least be aiming for C1 level, especially for the written and oral expression. For you to get there, mastering advanced and complex vocabulary, connectors, expressions is going to save you a lot of effort and is going to help you to sound more structured and confident. So today in this video, we are going to learn 3 advanced connectors. Let's go. Number 1, quoi qu'il en soit. Quoi qu'il en soit. It means nevertheless. It is used to balance or conclude two opinions. For example, quoi qu'il en soit, il faut agir maintenant. Quoi qu'il en soit, il faut agir maintenant. Nevertheless, we must act now. Another example with this connector is les opinions varient. Quoi qu'il en soit, la décision est prise. Les opinions varient. Quoi qu'il en soit, la décision est prise. Opinions vary. In any case, the decision is made. Another example. Quoi qu'il en soit, il est important de rester calme. Quoi qu'il en soit, il est important de rester calme. Anyway, nevertheless, in any case, it is important to stay calm. Number 2, en dépit de. En dépit de. It means despite or in spite of. It is used to express a fact, even though there is an obstacle or a difficulty. You can use this connector to replace même si. For example, en dépit de la pluie, nous sommes sortis. En dépit de la pluie, nous sommes sortis. Despite the rain, we went out. Another example. En dépit de ses erreurs, il a persévéré. En dépit de ses erreurs, il a persévéré. Despite his mistakes, he persevered. Lastly, we'll be looking at this connector, dans la mesure où. Dans la mesure où. It means since, insofar as long as, and so on. And it is used to explain a cause or a condition. It can replace parce que, si. For example, tu peux venir dans la mesure où tu es prêt. Tu peux venir dans la mesure où tu es prêt. You can come as long as you are ready. So in that case, it can replace if. Okay? Then another example, nous pouvons réussir dans la mesure où nous travaillons ensemble. Nous pouvons réussir dans la mesure où nous travaillons ensemble. We can succeed insofar as we work together. So, these 3 connectors can elevate your French from basic to advanced level when you use them correctly. So if you would love to get more lessons like this, click the follow button, like this video, comment. Now, the only way you will be sure that you've learned something from this video is by practicing. So you can go ahead and try making sentences with these 3 connectors in the comment section. And if you would love to begin your French learning journey, or you love to advance in the French learning journey, you can join Learn French and Earn. It's a community where you just don't learn French alone. You also get to practice with Francophones, and you have the opportunity to earn while you are learning. If you're interested, send a DM right away and I'll show you how to get started. See you in my next video. À bientôt!